Hey everybody, today I just got back from the range and my new model army is dirty. So I need to take it apart and clean it. And I figured that this would be a good time to show you how to disassemble it. So the gun is unloaded, so I'm not going to clear it out on video, but before you mess with any firearm in general, always make sure it's unloaded before you start taking it apart. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and take out the cylinder. Go ahead and move my extra cylinder out of the way. I gotta clean that too. And do that, like always, it's simple. And that's it. So, see, I'm gonna go ahead and move this to the side. And my next step that I'm going to do is remove each of these nipples. Because all these nipples need to be clean. And I have a nipple wrench for that. They make different types and everything, but this one has not failed me. And I'm just going to show you at one. Let's get the wrench in there. Turn it. That's it. There we go. And I'll be right back when I got all of them done. Alrighty, on each of my cylinders, I got all of the nipples out. They're in one of my little saucepans that I like to do when I do this. So they're all out. So the next thing that we are going to do is remove the ramrod assembly. Now, there's the space pen for the cylinder. Since I have a sheriff model, this is not going to be able to come out. It would hit this and not be able to come out. But we can at least take this part off. So what I like to use is my Bernal 80-3 for this one. And you just got that little screw right there. And then this right here can come out. And you got this that you can, clean and everything, get square away. Go ahead and put that over there. But like I was telling you, this right here, because of that right there, would not come out. If you have the full-size barrel, you would be able to. So we'll go ahead and bring that down all the way. Just keep it out of the way and everything. Alright, with that, we're going to go ahead and go to the next step. Alright, the next step we're going to do is go ahead and remove the grips. Alright, for that one I'd like to use my 240-2. Go ahead and put that in there. And these grips always like to give me a hard time. So sometimes with these you got to tap them out. There we go. Comes right out once you do that. See some black powder is in there, residue. Because I shot a lot of rounds today. Go ahead and put these grips together. do a little, screw in there. Just don't want to lose my screw for that. And then we're going to go ahead and loosen the mainspring. Go ahead and grab my 180-3 because you got a little tiny screw right here. And all you need to do is just back it off enough where it's no longer touching the mainspring. So that is good enough. Alright. There we go. Then we're going to go ahead and relieve some pressure. There you go. Yeah, just relieve a little bit of pressure, then a lot of times you can just go ahead and push it out. So now the mainspring is out, and we'll be right back with the next step. Alright, we're back. What we're going to do now is remove the trigger guard. Alright, we got that little screw right there, and we're going to go ahead and unscrew that. And this is obviously for the trigger guard. And there's a saucepan here. Go ahead, remove the trigger guard. And you got the spring right here that works the bolt. And we're going, and the trigger stop spring screw right there. We're going to go ahead and move it. I did get a new screw for this. I did mess it up. I just haven't replaced it. I'm going to replace it after I clean my gun and put it back together. So for this one, I'm going to use, I believe this one is the one I can get in there good. Yep. So I'm going to go ahead and use my 300-1. This one, since this is messed up good, I have to concentrate, get in there, put a lot of pressure. Hold on. Alright, I don't know y'all going to be able to see it, but I got it in a vase. I'm going to have to put all my weight on this. And this is why initially when you get one of these, you gotta make sure you have the right bit size. Because if you don't, you can easily strip them. So I had to do this before, but like I say, I do have another screw. I got good bits. So after this, I shouldn't have to do this again. So, get in there. Just gotta do it slow. There we go. Alright. Cut this. Completely mess up. Alright, now it's free flowing. Alright, let's go back upstairs. Alright, so once y'all get that screw undone, go ahead, take that out. Then go ahead, take the spring out. And then right here, you have the bolt. Actually, we're going to take this out first. So the next step is we're going to go ahead and take the trigger out. go ahead and grab my small bit 180-3. Okay. Now we got the trigger out. And right there is the bolt. So we'll go ahead and should come out pretty easy. If I get it right. Yeah, I got it upside down. I mean, I can just pull this out. So now we got the bolt out. Alright. So, the next step is we gotta go ahead and get the hammer and the hammer spring and everything out. So I'll go ahead and you have to do, go ahead and move that forward, just kind of push it down, and we got this little guy right here. And with this one, so you don't put it in tight, any real tiny screwdriver that you can get in there good will work. You got that little tiny thing right here. Go ahead, slide that out, and you'll be able to pull the hammer out. And after that, all the parts are gone. And that's it. Your new model Army is now completely disassembled and ready to be cleaned up. Y'all have a wonderful day. I'll definitely make a video of me putting this back together. Putting back together is pretty simple too. It's just probably slightly more complex because you gotta match the pieces better. Other than that, y'all have a great day.